Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video. So in this video we're just gonna do like a closet clean out, declutter some shoes, some makeup, some clothes, and things that I just have generally laying around the house that I want to clean up and get rid of. So this is more of like a relaxing type of video, so you guys can just watch me clean and go through my declutter process. So first I like to start by laying everything out so I know like what's there. So these shoes I've already like put them apart from like my regular shoes, so I need to debate if I'm going to keep these or not. So the first one, I don't like it. Well, it has like a rip at the side, so it's pulling out at the sides, so I'm gonna toss that one. These ones have just been worn down. I use Michael Kors, so I'm gonna toss those. These are good working shoes that I bought like probably 2 months before the panoramic hit, so I'm gonna keep those. Worn down, toss. Good working shoes, I'll keep. Good heels, I just need to clean these off, so I'll keep these. Now these are Zara sandals I've had for a while. I've worn them out. Like, these were some good sandals, but they got to go. Like, I've worn them so much. So bye bye Zara sandals, you got to go. These ones is stripping at the side, so I'm gonna get rid of them. Right there, it's stripping, so these can go. These are some good work shoes, so I'll keep these. And the last ones, these were some like work flats. These just need to be cleaned up, so I'll keep these ones. So that's the keep pile, and that's the trash pile. The skirt was way too tight, so we can donate this one. This backpack was a really good backpack, but yeah, it's stripping, so it's got to go. Bye bye. This was my work handbag, but yeah, it did its days, so this one can go too. These are my Bridgets, and I never remember to wear them because they're in this bag, in another bag too. So I'm keeping these because, you know, Bridgets last a while. So yeah, I'm keeping those. I really like these sneakers, but like because they're made out of like a cloth instead of like a sneaker type of feel, it ripped easily, so I'm getting rid of these. Let's see. Oh, here I just have some sunglasses. Yeah, these got like sticky and the heat and everything, so trash. Guys, tell me how I left my graduation with 2 degrees, okay? Luckily, they didn't put our actual degrees inside as yet, but if you graduated with me, Michael, 2019, and you didn't go home with a canister, I have it. So here's a swimsuit that I've outgrown. I'll donate this, and I don't generally keep my swimsuits because I don't really wear them more than once. The only ones I keep are like my custom crochet swimsuits, so I'll donate any other swimsuit that I have because I don't wear them more than once, and I just have to be honest with myself. I'm not gonna wear it again. So yeah. So I'm gonna look in the suitcase. Most of this is like clothes for work because I'm working from home, so you don't really gotta dress up like that. And some swimsuits. So yeah, already wore this, so donate. And this is the bottom for the first swimsuit I showed you. This is a part of a set. So yeah, already wore it right before the panoramic. Thank God. So I can donate that. Already wore this swimsuit. Guys, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you know when I upload first. So yeah, I already wore this, I'll donate it. And I've definitely outgrown that. Wow. So I'm just gonna go through, donate anything that I've already worn because I won't wear them again and someone else can get good use out of it. And this top, I used to wear it to work, but it's too small. Like, it's way too small now. So I'll donate that. This trash. Yeah. So trash pile of one good, man. Trash pile of one good. So I found some more pieces. It's a new day. Like this was a top. Like, I'm not gonna wear this. This is way too tiny. No longer my style. Donate this hoodie. I already wore this, so I'll donate it. And those are the clothes from yesterday. I also found this pillow that's like old and I don't use it anymore. So let's trash that. Alright, let's go into some makeup. So I'm gonna empty everything from my makeup drawer and from my makeup kit, box thing, and my makeup bags. Basically the same shade. So, well, they're similar in shade, and I think two of them are actually the same thing. So I'm gonna keep the different ones, and then with the two that are similar, I'm just gonna throw away the one that's like most used. Yeah, so yeah, these are the two ones that are like the same shade. So that one is kind of used up, so I'm gonna throw away that one and keep the rest. These are eyelash glues, so I'll keep those. Yeah, I'm gonna keep all these foundations right there. This one, I just had to test it to see if it still matches my skin. Yeah, that's a match. I'm gonna keep it. For these, I'll give some shades away to my friends, family who are lighter skin than me, and then I'll keep the darker shades, because I still do like my friends' makeup sometimes when they want me to, so I'll keep it for that purpose. Guys, comment down below, is it harder, what's the hardest thing for you to get rid of? Makeup, clothes, shoes? Ladies, I know some ladies love handbags. Guys, is it like cologne, your shoes? What is it? For me, as you can clearly see, it's makeup. I'll get rid of a lot of clothes, but the makeup, I hold on to it for a really long time. This concealer trash, I didn't like it. Keeping my MAC ones, keeping the Tarts, keeping the L'Oreal. See, this one isn't even like writing. So yeah. Oh, keeping that. You see the difference? You see the difference? And then the rest of those, I know that they're good, like eyebrow pencils, so I'll keep those. And guys, this is not my sheet. I'm not doing this on my sheet. This is my mattress cover, and I'm gonna wash it right after. So you see that one is all broken, and I'm still keeping it. Jeez. Trash that one. It's pretty used up. And then I'll keep the rest of my powders. Let's get into these palettes. Let's see. I can trash this one. It's all broken. You can see that shade up there is really broken. So trash that one. See, never touch those a day in my life, but I'm keeping it. This I can give to like a friend or family. I just don't use it, but you can see it's basically new. Yeah. That bigger palette, I've had this for a while, so I'm going to trash this because makeup does expire. All these other palettes, I really do use them all. Really and honestly, I do use them all. I just need to like sanitize, spray them down with alcohol, clean them up, but I really do use them all, so I'm gonna keep all those other palettes. These glitters I never use, but am I gonna throw them away? No. Crazy. Yeah. This palette, this palette is refillable, so once the things in there is finished, I can like, go and get another insert. So I'll keep the palette because you see how they come out, you just have to repurchase the other piece inside. So I'm going to keep the palette, which is a good like thing for the environment. Instead of continuously like throwing away things and stuff like that, you can just repurchase what you need. Yeah, this got to go. That's all broken. Trash. Keep. 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 Even though I don't like it. Trash. I have a new one. This almost finished, so I'm just gonna use it up. I don't like it. I have 3 of the same mascaras. One's in the package, so I'm gonna keep the new one that's still in the package. I'm just gonna test to see which one of these are like. towel, and I'm gonna wash them. Sometimes I wash them like more than once because I wash until it's like the soap foam is really white. That's how I really know it's clean, clean, clean. If the soap foam ain't really white, white.